Welcome to Codifix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video, we have shared how ZeroDivision error, division by zero. This error occurs when you try to divide a number by zero, which is an invalid mathematical operation. For example, let's run this code. This kind of error you find. The third line of code will raise a ZeroDivision error, because you cannot divide x by y when y is 0. To avoid this error, make sure that you are not dividing by 0 in your code. You can also use a conditional statement to check if the denominator is 0 before performing the division operation. For example, this code will print a message if y is 0, instead of trying to perform the division operation. Let's run this code. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.